Hi everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. Today we're going to start with blending. This week we're blending onset and rhyme. So I'm giving you the first consonant blend sounds and then the ending part of the word, which is the vowel and ending consonant sounds. It's only 2 chops. So you listen to me give you the parts and then you can repeat them and then blend the word. Globe, globe, bluff, bluff, slide, slide, claim, claim, floss, floss, block, block, gloom, gloom, sleep, sleep, flight, flight, blaze, blaze. All right, now we're going to punch out ending sounds. So remember, we're dragging our fist across our body from the left to the right and punching out that final sound. Here we go. The word is sleek. Sleek. The word is whole. Whole. The word is have. Have. The word is food. Food. The word is blink. Blink. The word is flame. Flame. The word is gift. Gift. The word is flex. Flex. The word is cup. Cup. The word is work. Work. Good. Now we're going to segment words into onset and rhyme. So I'm going to say a word, and then you are going to repeat the word, and we will chop it into the onset, that's the beginning blend sound, and the rhyme, the ending vowel consonant sound. All right, here we go. The first word is place. Place. Remember, each of these words gets 2 chops. The next word is slick. Slick. The word is clean. Clean. The word is fleet. Fleet. The word is blank. Blank. The word is club. Club. The word is blink. Blink. The word is flake. Flake. The word is slime. Slime. The word is glide. Glide. Good. All right, get your fists ready because we're going to do some phoneme substitution. The word is room. Change r to bl. Bloom. The word is face. Change f to pl. Place. The word is bow. Change b to pl. Plow. The word is down. Change d to cl. Clown. The word is night. Change to fl. Flight. Good. All right, now we're going to add phonemes. So we're going to start with the ending part, the rhyme, and we're going to add the beginning onset. These are consonant blends, and then we'll put them together to make a word. The word is oak. Add cl to the beginning. Cloak. The word is ank. Add bl to the beginning. Blank. The word is X. Add fl to the beginning. Flex. The word is Eve. Add sl to the beginning. Sleeve. The word is Add gl to the beginning. Gloom. Good. Last exercise, we're going to delete the beginning onset or that beginning blend sound. The word is flight. Without fl, the word is ite. The word is plane. Without pl, the word is ain. The word is blade. Without bl, the word is aid. The word is climb. Without cl, the word is I'm. The word is sleep. Without sl, the word is eep. Good work today.